So you just made your first $100 using this video, and all these videos, and you want to cash out. How do you cash out? So you most probably know that the most effective way of cashing out is actually with PayPal. So in today's video, what we will be looking at is the following: how to open a PayPal account and whether or not you should choose personal PayPal account or business PayPal account. So if you're interested in all that I just said, stick around for the whole video. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahlet Tamaga and I am the head of Dollar Influencers. So if you want to be a dollar influencer, all you got to do is one thing: hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and you are automatically part of the Dollar Influencers gang. So without wasting any time, let's get into this video. Just going to search PayPal. We'll do it with PayPal, normal PayPal, and PayPal Africa. So we're going to start off with PayPal Africa. So this is PayPal Africa. You're just going to scroll down, go on PayPal South Africa, register for free.
5 minutes later.
And there it is. You're going to click on login, and you can see my login details. So we're going to click on sign up. This can be changed later. So if you have a business, you want to choose the business account, but if you don't have a business, you want a personal account, you have to choose the personal account. But it doesn't mean that if you chose a personal account that you won't be able to accept payments. So if you chose a personal account, you can send and receive payments, but this business account is more advanced. So you want to make sure that if you don't have a business, so if you, for example, you're doing drop shipping and a lot of invoices and transactions coming in every day, you want to make sure that you choose the option which is business. But if you are like me and you just made your first $100 on the apps that I've been showing you, then you can choose personal account because we're not ready for business. I must say one thing: in this channel we are going to be making a business account together so we can make more money. So we're going to transform this to actually this. So yeah, we'll be making this amount of money, transforming to this. Oh my god! So make sure to subscribe and like if you watched my videos and you want to cash out right now. So you're going to choose the personal account. So you're just going to log in there and you're just going to have to put in your email address, and I'll just use I need to create it. I normally use junk mail emails, so I recommend that because you don't want your email be sent into everyone, because people can hack into your normal email which you use for everything. So I recommend you use junk mail. So I use that. So I think I'm going to use a junk mail now. Okay, we're going to go back and create a account, and we're going to choose the email address, put in everything we need, click on next. Is going to ask for your address and everything. So as I told you before, you can change your personal account to a business account. So you just have to go into your settings, account settings, I think that is it. Then you're going to go in one of these tabs, then you have to go and update from personal to a business account. So right now that is all about personal and business account. So you are probably wondering, what is the difference between a PayPal personal account and a PayPal business account? So I'll just put a screenshot right here, and you can just see that the differences are, there is a difference, but there is no really big difference. Everything normally happens the same. Is that with the business account you have cash invoices and transactions. So the business account is more professional. So yeah, this is the screenshot you just saw. So you're probably wondering, what is the difference between PayPal Africa and PayPal normal PayPal. There is no difference. It's just that I couldn't find PayPal for my country in the normal PayPal. I don't know if you have the same problem, but there is no difference, so you don't have to really worry about that. You can just follow the same steps, or you can just go to PayPal. Just search paypal.com. And one thing I forgot to tell you is that you must subscribe right now, and I'm going to wait for you. Nigga be getting beard. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And if you want to join the influencers gang, just make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications, because I'm dropping a video every Tuesday and Friday, so you don't want to miss that, because you want to make money. If you want to make money, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you next week Tuesday yet with another video. And if you've made it to the end of this video, just go down in the comment section down below and tell me, yo Mahlati man, I really like your videos, but I think you need to improve this, that, and tell me which things you think I can improve. And I take it as constructive criticism. I'm not going to take it personal. I'm going to take it as if you want to see more from me. So if you telling me that, I know that you actually care about me and my channel. But anyway guys, I don't want to waste your time, so you can just hit that subscribe button, notification bell, like, and go ahead and watch my next video. I think it will be in the IQ card right here or right here. I really don't know. I'm always confused between the two, but I don't know. I think it's right here. But just go watch the next video, which will be popping up in 3, 2, 1, go. So thanks for watching this video. I'm out. Peace.